double ja or keletetu kene ye ero sick to bakala no divorce no divorce tala divorce dane malopa no lopa no ta bakala ta lopa no pain kasai su katuda ro bakala divorce no age clone dile it has been said no la ta bakatuwa anyone who divorced his wife must give her a certificate of divorce, no? Waragala me edo malopa amaro oni abahivera no bakala certificate no le bakala le uta no bakala le uta lo no certificate of divorce no le uta lo ma le lo pwa le uta no. But, no, but I tell you this, anyone who divorced his wife, no, Wadagala, no, aware me malopa amani, except for marriage, no, in faithfulness, no, unfaithfulness, no, awene udo, no, domua, bakala, no, ta pakitana ta sutana uloba no curse her to become an adultery no when magama pakitana hetala tetamila away ebodalo no and anyone who marries the divorced woman commit adultery no when no commit adultery Puaragala no malapa pomuni kabamina tetamila amakamara la ta ebera teminilo no awami ebera lo line namatilo miti ebera walini nama o tetiba nilo no